Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go the question. Which of the following is equal to a to the power of 1 over 2 divided by a to the power of negative 1 over 3? Okay, here to simplify the given expression, what we can do is we can consider the quotient rule in exponents. That is, I divide two powers with the same base. That is, the base in numerator is a, the base in denominator is also a. So whenever we divide two powers with the same base, what we can do is we can take the base ones and we have to subtract the exponents. That is m negative n. Okay, now we can use this quotient rule over here to simplify the given expression. Okay, let me take the given expression as it is, that is a to the power of 1 over 2 divided by a to the power of negative 1 over 3. Okay, here we divide two powers with the same base a. Now we can take the base ones, that is a, and we have to subtract the two exponents. Then I'm getting 1 over 2 negative of negative 1/3. Okay, then we get a to the power of 1 over 2. When I multiply this negative and negative, I'm getting positive 1/3. Okay, here we have to add these two fractions. The two fractions have different denominators, 2 and 3. And now we have to get the least common multiple of the two denominators, 2 and 3. So that is 6. So we have to make each denominator as 6. For that, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator of the first fraction by 3. So that this denominator will become 6. Okay, now let me multiply the numerator 1 by 3 and denominator 2 by 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Here, in the second fraction, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. So 2 times 1 is 2, and here 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, we get a to the power of okay, here we have addition of two fractions with the same denominator. So now we can take 6 as a common denominator and we have to add the numerators. That is 3 positive 2. Okay, here a to the power of 3 positive 2 is 5. That is the exponent will be 5 over 6. Okay, when I consider the answer choices, in each answer choice we have a radical. Okay, if I want to write this one in terms of radical, so I must have a fractional exponent with numerator 1. Okay, here we have a fractional exponent, but the numerator over here is not 1, it's 5. So we have to get a fraction of the exponent with numerator 1. How do we have to get a fraction with numerator 1? So for that we can write this exponent 5 over 6 as 5 times 1 over 6. Even when I multiply this 5 and 1 over 6, that is equal to 5 over 6. Because usually we multiply this 5 and the numerator 1, then we get 5 over 6. Okay, here the exponent, two values are multiplied. Whenever two values are multiplied at the exponent, what we can do is we can take one of the values as exponent for the base. Okay, here let me take the first value 5 as an exponent for this base a, then we get a to the 5th power. Now we can take the second value 1 over 6 as an exponent for the whole stuff over here. Okay, so actually this is a power of a power rule in exponent. I have used power of a power rule in reverse. Okay, now we got a fractional exponent with numerator 1. Since the exponent over here is a fraction with numerator 1, we can write this exponent as a radical. When I write this exponent as a radical, so the denominator 6 should be taken as the index of the radical. So now we can write this exponent as radical. Then we have a to the 5th power inside the radical, and the denominator 6 should be taken as index of the radical. Then we get 6th root of a to the 5th power, and we find this stuff exactly in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.